Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is calm meat recipe or kakka thoran. Take 200 gram calm meat, put in a pan, add 200 ml water, flame on high flame. Then sliced coconut 2 spoon, curry leaves, green chilli 2 piece, onion 1. Onion, green chilli, slice. Then add the cow meat. Then mix it well. For high flame for cooking. Then grated coconut 2 spoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, garlic 5 piece. Take a grinder, then grind it. This is the texture. Add this cow meat. Then mix it. Mix it well. Salt 1 tablespoon, sunflower or cooking oil 2 spoon. Add it. Then mix it well. Mix it for 5 minutes. Then close it for cooking. 15 minutes. Low flame cook. 50 minutes later, open the curry, mix it. The recipe is ready. Then close the recipe, off the flame. 5 minutes later, change a serving bowl. The calm meat recipe is ready. Thank you for watching.